Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jocelyn and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, I have another fashion hacks video. I know these ones are very highly requested, and if you have not seen part number 1 and part number 2, I'm just going to include them in the description box below for you to check it out later after you finish this fashion hacks video, okay? Alright, let's get started. The first fashion hack as part of this video is when you don't have a strapless bra and you only have your conventional bra. And if for some reason you only have your conventional bra but you have a dress or a top that requires a strapless bra and you don't want to show the straps of your bra because that looks pretty bad, what to do? Well, I got you, okay? And it's very simple. Okay guys, so I put my bra on top of my jumpsuit just to show you because I feel a little bit exposed. So you have the idea. What you're gonna be doing is removing the straps if you have your bra on. Otherwise, just put the straps in front of the cups of the bra or at the back of the cups of the bra. And what you're gonna be doing is to secure the two straps with a safety pin, or you can use those clips that you use at the office. And voila, you have a strapless bra automatically. That's how you convert your conventional bra to a strapless bra. It's super easy, right? And very convenient. Well, now you know when you don't have a strapless bra and you have your conventional bra, you know now what to do. The second hack that I have for you is when you need to tuck the shirt in your pants and you have this bunching up situation. I know that I covered that as part of my first video, just folding your shirt, but some of you said like, you know what, sometimes that doesn't work, and you give me the solution. And it's easy. And is to tuck your shirt inside of your underwear or your shapewear or pants or anything that you have underneath, okay? So instead of tucking your shirt in your pants, tuck that fabric inside of your underwear or inside of your shapewear, and then on top of that you put your pants or whatever bottoms you are wearing, and voila. I know it's like magic. It's so easy, and you're not gonna have this bunching up situation with those shirts, especially the ones that they have button downs. Yes, So here you go. That's the solution. You know what? I need to take Muffin out of the room. Say hi, Muffin, because she's being naughty. Say bye-bye. You know when you want to wear a nice pair of tall boots with skinny jeans and you are ready to put the boots on top of your skinny jeans, and for some reason the skinny jeans just bunched up here at the legs and it doesn't look good. You want that they look smooth and perfect. And when you put your boots on, they just bunching up there and it doesn't look very polished, to be honest with you. Well, there is an easy solution, and please let me know if you already know about this hack, but it's so easy. Before you put your boot on top of your jeans, tuck the bottom of your jeans inside of your socks, and that will secure the pants on place. By the time that you're going to be putting on your boots, the pants are going to be secure with your socks. And it's going to give the appearance of everything is smooth, sleek. Same situation with the sweaters. When you put in your blazer on, same situation. We have this bunching up situation here at the sleeves, and sometimes we want to show the cuffs. So for white button down shirt or sweater, we want to show the cuffs, right? Really nice, that they're sticking out of your jacket or your blazer. I think that looks really cute. But you are searching for the sleeve and trying to search it, right? And trying to just pull it and sometimes you can't because your hand doesn't fit inside of, you know, the sleeve hole of your blazer. So it's an adventure. It's an adventure to look for that cuff of the sweater or the button-down shirt, right? And it's an adventure. So you know what? Avoid that. Avoid that. Before you put on the blazer or your jacket or your coat or whatever you're gonna put on, just grab the sleeve with your hand. I know, just pull it a little bit, grab it with your hand, hold it meanwhile you're putting your blazer on, and that's it. I know, it's so easy. I don't know what I'm telling you this, but I had that problem. Now I grab all the sleeves, the cuffs of my sleeves before I put on the jacket or the blazers, and that's an easy solution. Yeah, who thought about this? So genius. I work in an office environment, and sometimes when I go to the office, I just find out that my pants are full of lint or they're full of fibers. And when you are wearing black, it's very evident when you have a fiber situation or a lint situation, because since they're black, they expose all the colors to everybody, right? What to do. Oh, and I don't have a roller. Of course that I don't have a roller, a lint roller at the office. So what to do? Well, it's very easy. What you need to do is grab your Scotch tape. Everybody has tape at the offices, right? Grab the tape with the sticky part outside and just put it in your hand this way, and you're gonna create a hand roller. I know. And the way that I do it, I start, you know, with the sticky part of the tape, I start collecting all the lint and the fibers with that tape. And of course that I need to replace it very often, especially if they're pants, and if I want to remove all the lint from my pants, I need to do it like several times. It works better with packaging tape, by the way. You can do that, and voila, that's an easy solution in case that you don't have a lint roller on hand. This hack is very handy and it works all the time. I don't know about you, but once in a while I encounter this type of issues with a zipper, and it's when you just have a zipper that it doesn't want to zip anymore. It's just there in the middle, like not doing anything. And why? I mean, sometimes you have this super expensive clothing and for some reason the zipper stopped working, and this is very easy, by the way, to fix. The thing with zippers is that they have two paths, two ways. One to zip up and one to zip down, okay? What is happening to the zipper and reason that is not closing properly is because the zipper opening is too open and it's not tight enough, that is not doing its job. What you need to do is very easy. You need pliers, so be careful and be safe, please. You need pliers, and what you're gonna be doing is pressing the zipper a little bit. Not too much, because if you press the zipper and collapse the zipper is not going to do its job either. You need to press it just a little bit and test it. Test it and to keep pressing until you feel and you see that the zipper is working again. If you press it too much and the zipper is not working, well, grab a screwdriver and start opening that zipper again, little by little, okay? And please be careful and just make sure that the zipper is closing and opening again. Hopefully this will help you, because this hack saved pretty much my life. Because you know those cases that you said, okay, I'm just going to send it to the tailor and repair the zipper, and for some reason you never take those clothes to the tailor. They just stay there in the closet and they never get fixed, and then I get tired of them just to see them for years over there, and I just ended up donating those clothes. And it's a really easy way to fix your zippers. I mean, zippers, they have a lot of issues for some reason, yes, but this is one of the issues that we can easily repair. Alright Alright guys, so that's all the fashion hacks that I have for today. Please let me know which hack you were amazed and which hack is going to change your life. Hopefully they were helpful. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please continue watching videos here. And I'll see you there. Bye bye.